Hey guys, hopefully this is a quickie. Wonder if anybody out there has experience with compressors. I got this guy for free. Well, my dad gave it to me when he found out it's broken. Two things wrong. First, the motor's not starting. It used to. It's not now. I think it's probably... Alright, never mind. It is starting now. Yeah, I thought maybe it was the pressure switch, and I guess I'm right. So, I'll tell you the other problem here in a second. I start to hear it now. It's got a clack in one of the cylinders. When it gets under pressure. Right now it's not doing it. When it gets some pressure built up, it will. PSI. I can start to hear it. What do you think that is? Is it worth fixing? Does it need a new pump or just should I pull the head off and see if it's a piston ring that's just gone bad or something? Let me know what you think. Thanks.